Southeast governors listed. All the government house in the southeast will be overrun. Because when the South is engaged, when especially the job people are engaged, which we pray it doesn't happen. When you have a friend, it is difficult for you to part with your friend.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. I don't really know the connection between the Rivers State crisis and Southeast government houses and sacking of the whole governors. Because sometimes if Asari Dokubo makes statements, people don't, point out the statement he's making. And give it time, it will come to pass. Now, Asari Dokubo is warning the whole Southeast governors. And this is what he said. You just listen to him. That if Tinubu did not stop Wike and allow Wike to write the names of technical committee for local government, administrators for the sole administrator in Rivers State, that if they engage the job people and challenge the job people, that they are going to overrun the government houses in the Southeast. Is it not shocking to you? Why didn't he say they will overrun the whole government the whole government houses in the Southwest? No, because Asari Dokubo alleged that he is helping the federal government to fight the Igbos, to do whatever they ask him to do, that they can't betray him in the struggle for the political, soul of Rivers State. This is what he said. Now, take your time and listen to him while I come back to tell you the danger ahead.
The powers invested in the strong to afflict all other people. It has failed. Whoever was shooting had failed. And they will continue to fail. Why will one man be allowed to strive in the East? We have a full-blown war, which the press is not talking about. Go to Anambra State. Go to Imo State. In the North Central. In the Northeast. And in the Northwest. And this man, with the strong, watching this man, the weak, encouraging him as it is, that we have seen, pushing him forward as we have seen, to cause another war in the South. See, my warning is this. If this man, Nyeso Wike, is allowed, people are restraining themselves because of the danger. The danger that he's inviting. If the South, the job people are allowed, it will embolden the Southeast and it will spiral out of control. Southeast governors listed. All the government house in the Southeast will be overrun. Because when the South is engaged, when especially the job people are engaged, which we pray it doesn't happen. When you have a friend, it is difficult for you to part with your friend. Because you have to look back. You have to look back at yesterday. The memories of yesterday will keep on playing up in your head. The memories of yesterday will continue to be playing up in your head. And you want to go forward? You want to go backward? Because friendship is more than money. Friendship is more than any other thing. And I say it because I am pained. I am fixed on a spot. Because in my darkness of time, Ahmed Bola Tinubu stood with me. He stood by me. I can't forget it so easily, no matter what happened. And that was why when I went to campaign for him, when I went to take bullet for him, I did not go to him to ask him for a dime, one kobo. Even when his daughter said, look, you are doing all these things, let Baba know. I said, no. When Baba did all those things for me, I was in prison. Did they ask for my consent before he did? It's my advice as a sincere friend. What is happening in Rivers State is reminiscent of what happened in the Western region. that led to the death of over 3 million Nigerians and destruction, the economic loss, and the pains and the scars which is still being used today to rally people against Nigeria. So before one is so before one. It's teaching time. It says save 9. This shooting that took place today, whoever orchestrated it, you have failed. Oh, fail it, flatly. Oh, failing. You are always misreading me. You can't read me completely. So wherever in your cover you go to, I told you, I will hear, I will know. My eyes are everywhere. My ears are everywhere. My nose are everywhere. I am seeing you. I be mom na rare. Money me Opaye mamu. Opori bibi belere be ya. I know body bad.
All right, you just listen to him now, okay? Now, this is, apart from this, Asari Dokubo have made a live video 3 times saying that their boys are in the southeast, killing or fighting. Most of the time, he used the word fighting. Now, I want to draw the attention of everyone to the extrajudicial killing by the confession of this man. Most of the killings in the southeast, we have, see, if they said, come and call witnesses of insecurity in the southeast, I can call like 1,000 witnesses. My messages on WhatsApp are filled up. Voice notes that people will just come out and say, these security men, if they just see you, that even though you just wear good clothes, they'll say your IPOB, they'll carry you, they will not see you again. This is how they have been disappearing people time without number. And no one is talking about it. Nobody is talking about it. This is insane, okay? It's insane. Nobody is talking about it, and I really want to say that shame unto the Southeast governors, shame unto you people, because there is a danger ahead of you, a very great danger ahead of you. Look at how Asari Dokubo reduced the 5 Southeast governors. He reduced you people. Soludo, Ozodema, Mba, Mwifuru, and Exoti. This guy reduced you people. He said, "Listen, Southeast governors, listen. This is a warning." He made that statement. This is a warning. If Tinubu or Wike did not do what they asked them to do, if they engage the Ijaw people will not destroy Bayelsa, they will not destroy Rivers, they will not destroy Delta, they will not destroy Edo, they will not destroy Ondo. All these places that Ijaw people are, they will not destroy it, but they will overrun the Southeast government houses. Is it not surprise to you? This is how the politicians from the Southeast have made people to reduce Igbos. Okay? They have reduced you people to nothing, absolutely nothing. Shame on you people. Shame on you people. I draw the attention of some governors. I spoke with some of their aides when this man first started doing this video 5 months ago. The first one he did before was when he was showing gun, saying that he will kill Igbos, that they are nothing. He made another statement. He said his boys are fighting. And any place he mentioned that his boys are fighting, they will kill soldiers there. They will kill people there. This is what has been going on. And apart from that, after the first video, the second video, the third video, he still continued. He's consistent on his claim. If it is one time, you could say it's a slip of tongue that the man talks too much. But when he consistently repeated that his men are fighting, which legislation approved his men to go and fight and kill people? On what basis? On what basis? Nigeria is a joke. And Southeast politicians are jokes. Because there is nowhere in this part of the country where things will happen. The Boko Haram killing people in the north. Why federal government? Why did federal government not take Asari Dokubo and throw his men to the ISWAP and Boko Haram challenge? But Southeast, because they have plans against you people, they send all kind of cankerworms to go there to go and do what they did not ask them to do. There is a great danger ahead, and people should wake up to the reality that we are at war.
Southeast governor listed. All the government house in the southeast will be overrun. Because when the South is engaged, when especially the job people are engaged, which we pray it doesn't happen. When you have a friend, it is difficult for you to part with your friend.